What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bankx back again. Received some parts in the mail yesterday that I've been waiting on and wanted to try out. Had to do a little bit of research on it to see what would fit and what would work. But I finally got my hands on some hand guards for the brute force. They weren't that expensive. These are the cheaper ones. I wanted to see if I can make them work. And I had to order the mountain kit separately. And as you can see, we don't have a whole lot of space on this machine to mount any hand guards. I'm gonna see if I can make them work. Yeah, if not, I guess I'll just either send them back or see if anybody else can use them. But and work on that and see what we can get done, because they definitely would help out when trail riding, tree branches smacking your hand and everything. So definitely will keep y'all posted on if they fit or not, if they work. Now I'll get back to you, let you know what they look like. All right, after spending some time losing a couple screws and relocating stuff, I finally got them to fit pretty decent. I had to kind of raise the guards up higher than I would want them, but because of the front lock for the differential, I had to kind of adjust it up and make the other side match. But just the finished product doesn't look too bad. Still protects your hand. On this side, I show what it looked like without the little plastic piece in. If you want, you know, some type of circulation of air for your hands, you just pop this out. That's the side with them. It's without it. So it doesn't look too bad. I think I'll be leaving them on for me personally. Wasn't that bad of an install. Just had to do a lot of sliding over and adjusting for the your throttle, your brake, a couple other things, and then I also had to relocate the switch for the winch. Put it right there. It's out the way when I turn, so it's not rubbing anything. But all in all, not a tough install. Just had to run to Home Depot because I lost a couple screws, like I usually do. Wouldn't be an install if I didn't lose any screws. But so far, liking the look. Time will tell how it holds up on the trail, and I keep you posted on that. Not a bad deal for $60. Not a bad deal at all. Like I said, they're a little high for my taste, but they still do protect your hands. But I'll let you know how I hold up. Like I said, if you like the video, if you learned anything from it, if you could, please like and subscribe. Like I said, I got more content coming your way. And some more riding also. All right, y'all take it easy.